more than ever, business people need to network to grow their business. Summit Networking and Referral Group provides a positive, supportive, structured environment to exchange quality business referrals. We offer members the opportunity to share ideas, contacts, and most importantly, business referrals. Would you like to increase your business 20, 30, 50% or more? Over the past 2 years, the members of Summit Networking and Referral Group have passed and closed over $1 million. You too can see results like this by joining Summit. As a business and professional referral organization, we only allow one person from each profession. By joining and filling a category, you're locking out your competition. So how does Summit generate this much closed business? We do it by getting to know each other better in our weekly lunch meetings every Tuesday, one-to-one meetings between members, and monthly or bi-weekly power team meetings. These meetings effectively extend your sales force without the additional cost of employees. When one of our members meets someone who could use your products or services, they hand them one of your business cards and then strongly recommend you and pre-sells your services. Then they'll provide you with the contact information of this prospect so you can follow up and close the deal. At our Tuesday meetings, members introduce themselves and their business. And most importantly, they ask for a specific referral to help improve their marketing efforts. Each week, we have one of our members give a feature presentation on their business, so our members will have a greater understanding of their business and what they are looking for to help them grow. One-to-one meetings are a 30-minute interaction that allows our members to learn about each other's businesses firsthand. They also tighten the bond of friendship that all Summit members share. Power Teams meetings center around members who have a common marketing thread. Business to business, real estate, health and wellness are just some of the power teams that Summit has formed. This is all based on the proven concept of what goes around, comes around. The more you put into your Summit membership, the more you'll get back. You determine how effective your membership is. Networking requires commitment. The most successful members are the ones who are sincerely committed to helping one another through networking. If you're looking to increase your business, we hope you'll consider joining Summit Networking and Referral Group, the peak of excellence in referral networking.